Burkitt Road, bright new home. 59 Burkitt Road, Birkenhead, CH4T4PR. A fully rebuilt 3-bedroom home, just across the Mersey from Liverpool. Burkitt Road, bright new home. Step inside and feel it glow. Burkitt Road, bright new home. This is where your next life flows. Birkenhead, living close to Liverpool. City lights within easy reach, but here the road feels calm and green, with space to breathe and room to be. A fresh new start behind the door, a home rebuilt with care and pride. From the first step you feel the light, modern comfort waiting inside. Private driveway, space for two, Eve provision ready for you. Choose your charger, make it your way. Future ready from moving day. Birkitt Road, bright new home. Step inside and feel it glow. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open space and room to grow. Birkitt Road, bright new home, close to Liverpool, calm at home. Fresh new walls, warm like green view. This could be the one for you. The kitchen is bright, the finish is clean, with glass doors open into the green. Morning coffee, garden light, peaceful evenings, easy nights. Open plan living, made to flow, a place for family, work and rest. Every corner feels renewed, made to look good and live its best. No tired rooms, no old repair, just a home prepared with care. From roof to floor, from wall to light, everything feels fresh and right. Private drive,